Hi there, guys and gals! One sunny afternoon, how are you all doing? What date is today? Huh? Yes, it's September 26, 2024, and it's Thursday. Huh. Ah! Gosh! 90 days to go! Guys, 90 days to go before Christmas. As I'm expecting on you guys and girls that you are saving money, okay? Oh yes, you have your wish list, but you should save money. Yes, either it's coins, paper bills, peso bills, whatever bills or whatever coins, for as long as you are saving, okay? And life is being unpredictable.